Hi, today we will learn how to use text alias in text-to-speech plugin. So in the free version, you can use only one text alias. You cannot use more than that. So as I am in the pro version, so I can use as much as I want to use. So let's see how it works. Suppose
It was popularized in the
suppose I want to read this text as 340p, but previously it used to read 340p. So I copied the
It was
content,
popularized in the
I copied the word and paste it here as actual text. So I want to read like 340p. How to read? You can put it here. How it should read. So I pasted here 340p. 340p. Save it. Now,
It was popularized in the 1960s. What is lorem ipsum? 340b lorem ipsum is simply
so now it is reading as we expected. So let's try another one. This dummy word. So I want to read as this dummy as test. Let's see, is it reading as expected?
It was popularized in the 1960s with the release of letters. What is lorem ipsum? 340b lorem ipsum is simply test text of the printing and typesetting industry.
So it's working perfectly. Thank you so much for visiting this video. Feel free to share your opinion about this plugin. If you have any question, please feel free to ask us.